Data storage firm Pure Storage reporting second quarter numbers this hour, topping street estimates. The stock moving higher. It's off the best levels at the moment. Joining us now is Pure Storage Chairman and CEO Charlie Giancarlo. Good to see you, Charlie. So I got to start off asking about this AI move that we've seen in the enterprise. Last quarter, you said AI infrastructure investment not really having a big impact. Large language models, just a tiny portion of what you're seeing demand-wise. But we are seeing an impact from enterprise companies moving their spend from kind of traditional data center stuff into accelerator-related ecosystems. So are you still seeing little impact, positive or negative?
Well, we're seeing it increase, to your point. First of all, John, great to see you again. Thanks for having me on the show. Very much appreciate the time. We are starting to see a pickup in AI. We had, a number of AI-related deals this quarter, as we typically do, but this time around, more of them in the Gen AI space to tag on that increase in interest in Gen AI and Chat GPT. And we had, to cap it off, we had a nice 8-figure deal in a production environment for Gen AI. So definitely starting to see that pick up. Yeah,
8 figures is big. So last quarter, you also said that you were seeing stabilization across from the end of Q4 into Q1. What did you see here? How would you characterize the environment in Q2? Still just stable, a bit of an uptick? What?
I'd say marshy with a few green shoots. We started to see a few green shoots in the latter part of the last quarter. Hesitate to call that any kind of recovery at the moment. So I would say largely stable. I call it marshy. You never know if the next foot is going to be on solid ground or in a sinkhole. But I would say on average stable. Although to give it more color, internationally, very varied. Different countries at a different point in their economic cycle in this recession. Some of them we're seeing having really challenging times. Others in a bit better shape. So the stable part, I'd say North America. Other parts of the world, highly varied.
Talk to me about your share gains to the extent that you had them. You've been very vocal about talking about hard disks being spinning in their grave, basically, and then traditional SSDs, solid state drives, not being up to the task of what the data center is going to need. How are you doing versus the competition? We had one of the Currian brothers, well, he had both of the Currian brothers on recently, but one of them competes more directly with you in storage. How do you think you're doing?
Indeed. Well, if you look at the recent announcements by our competitors, yeah, we continue to pick up 10 to 15% market share each and every year. And if you consider the fact that more and more of our sales now is subscription based, and in fact we had a breakout quarter, we had another record quarter in our subscription sales. While that doesn't even show up in the market share numbers. So actually, we believe our market share continues to grow relative to the market overall and relative to our competitors quite nicely.
Do you have a sense, and this is kind of a broader enterprise question, do you have a sense of the degree to which your customers are stockpiling accelerator chips? You see what they're spending on. You say you're seeing some pickup in AI-related spending, but, some of the numbers are off the charts.
Yeah, I don't know that I'd call it stockpiling because whatever they can get, they plan on using. Now, some of that is waiting for other infrastructure to be put into place. As you know, the supply chain still highly varied. But so there's a lot of purchasing going on, a lot of early orders. But I would say anything that's coming in that can be used is being used.